Hey guys, Alan Lee here with Honestly Handyman Services, and today I wanted to talk with you guys about business taxes, specifically how a handyman handles business taxes. As you all know, we are quickly approaching tax season here, and we are working pretty hard getting our taxes ready to submit them to our tax professionals that are going to be working on them. This will be our first year doing taxes for the handyman business, as this was our first year in business full time for this business. It's a little bit different this year because we were a sole proprietor for a little bit more than half of the year, and then we incorporated to an LLC. So while we were a sole proprietor, we paid quarterly taxes, and now that we are an LLC, we have a different filing program for that. And what I would say for taxes is I'm not a tax professional, so do not take what I'm saying to heart. Do your own research. Find your own tax professional, and they will give you the best information that will fit what you need. And so what we are doing, we have a great tax organizing company called Anderson Business and Tax. They are based out of Las Vegas, Nevada. Super awesome company. We are on their membership program, so we can contact them, anytime we need, and they will give us a call. They also have a tax plan that we're on and all that. So. And they are also submitting all of our 1099s that need to go to independent contractors that we use throughout the year. So basically what we're doing is we have a tax organizer planner, and that they sent us, and we're going through that, and we're giving them all the information that they need, including, income, expenses, miles, gas, everything that we've used, everything that we've written off, tools, equipment, insurance, things like that. So yeah, we're basically just going through all of our stuff and getting all that ready, and then we are submitting it to them, and then they're going to be calling us, and we're going to be on a phone chat for quite a while. I don't really know the whole process because this is our first year doing it. So it's kind of new to us, but basically the most important thing I would say about taxes is be prepared, guys. Always be documenting every single thing that you use. Every amount of money that comes in, every amount of money that goes out. Always be documenting that and keeping good records for that in any which way that you decide to do that. Whether it's through, Google Docs, we've used that quite a bit, or, using your own Excel sheets or whatnot. Or there's also many other apps out there that help you with taxes, like QuickBooks Self-Employed for one of them. You can pay that, it's a monthly expense, but it helps automatically track your miles. You can easily track your expenses, your income. You can put in receipts pretty easy, and then that way it's just all kind of organized in one easy way. We were doing that at the beginning of the year. We're still doing that for parts of our stuff, but most of it is we just found it easier to write it down on paper. So for like miles and everything, everywhere I go, I stop, write down my miles, where I'm at, and when I get gas, write down my miles, how much miles per gallon I use, and all that. So yeah, that's kind of the way we're doing it right now. So now we're just going through and gathering all the information. We're going to be submitting that. So that's kind of how I look at my business from a tax standpoint, is at least for the first year, and my plans for the immediate future are to be using a tax professional to do all my taxes, all my 1099s that I need to submit and everything like that. And then as an LLC, I still obviously need to submit, basic income tax for me. Because my LLC is paying me. So that's the difference between an LLC and a sole proprietor. Is an LLC is you pay yourself out of that, and you pay any other employee or independent contractor out of that LLC, as opposed to a sole proprietor where everything you make is what you owe. Is what you own. So like, say you made $80,000 in a year. If you're a sole proprietor, that's your income. So you're paying personal income tax on $80,000 a year. So that's where it can kind of get you. They say if you make more than $20,000 a year, you should probably incorporate your business because it will be a lot cheaper in taxes in the long run. But anyways, I'm not a tax professional. That's just my take on it. That's my opinion. So that's kind of what we're doing this year for taxes. So anyways, thank you all so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. And if you haven't, take a look at my other videos that I've made in the past. I have so much info, so much good content about how to start a handyman business, how to run it, the tools you need for it, what to do, what not to do. I've learned a lot, made a lot of mistakes. And I just appreciate your guys' input on all that. And please leave me a comment in the comment section below with what you're doing this year for taxes, and also what you do for a living. I would absolutely love to chat with you in the comments. So anyways, thank you so much and have a great day.